Hey, this is Kent Jones with Jones and Associates PC in Cleveland, Tennessee. We service Bradley County, Hamilton County, McMinn County, Polk County, Marion County, Meigs County, and occasionally we go outside of those areas on an as-needed basis. Today I wanted to talk to you about current issues in criminal law in the state of Tennessee. And there's going to be a lot of overlap with national issues as well. One of the big issues that has risen to the surface is gun violence involving youth. And as anybody knows, guns and gun control is a really hot political topic these days, but from a criminal law perspective, we're here to talk about the law and youth and guns. And in Tennessee, the focus of Tennessee legislation is on how guns are purchased. If you're a licensed dealer, then you're prohibited to selling handguns to anyone that is under the age of 21. However, if the person is over the age of 18, then they can buy rifles or shotguns. You have to go through a background check when you buy a gun from a licensed dealer. And this is also the case, which some people do not know, if you buy a gun online. If you buy a gun online, that particular gun is going to be shipped to a gun dealer in your local area, and you'll have to go there and fill out the BATFE background check form and go through a TBI check to make sure that you're okay and not on a list so that you can buy the firearm. That particular process doesn't really take long at all, and there really is no waiting period. If you purchase a gun from a private dealer, then there is no background check, and you can get away with a lot more if you're 18 or older when you're dealing with private dealers, which may be kind of a loophole in the law. Carry permits are required for handguns. Carry permits are not required for shotguns and rifles, and that particular requirement is regardless of whatever age you are. Another loophole that people may be looking into is guns such as the AR-15 are considered, by terms of definition, a rifle, which means that a person that is 18 or older can legally buy an AR-15. On the flip side of the coin, an AR-15 is not allowed to be used to hunt animals. The question is, whether or not an AR-15 should fall into the general category of a rifle or not. I'm not entirely absorbed into previous federal legislation, although in my reading I understand under the Clinton administration there may have been some federal assault rifle prohibitions that had clauses where they ended at a particular period of time. But as we understand it right now, the gun laws are pretty much controlled by the states. The final thing that I wanted to mention, which obviously is of legal relevance, is the Second Amendment to the United States Constitution. It reads as follows: a well-regulated militia being necessary to the security of a free state, the right of the people to keep and bear arms shall not be infringed. So, as far as guns and use, that is what we know about the law in Tennessee right now. And if you have further questions or any issues that fall into this particular category, please feel free to call us at 423-424-6208. I'm changing my email address to jonesandassociatespc@gmail.com, and that's all spelled out, meaning the word "and" is spelled out. The old email address is still working, so if it ends up there, we'll get it too. Of course, you can always reach Brad at bradleywilsonlaw.com. This is going to be part one of a series on current issues in criminal law, and we'll talk about part two a little bit later. Hope everybody is having a good middle of the week, and we'll talk to you. Bye.